Hey everyone! If you or someone you love is living with diabetes, this video is a must-watch. Today, we're uncovering the 6 foods you absolutely should avoid if you want to keep your blood sugar stable and protect your health. Trust me, even small slips with these foods can cause serious spikes and complications. Stick with me to learn which everyday foods might be sabotaging your efforts, and what smart alternatives you can choose instead. By the end, you'll have a clearer, safer roadmap for your meals that supports your well-being every single day. Diabetes management is not just about medicine, it's about what you eat daily. Certain foods cause blood sugar to rise quickly, leading to highs and lows that make your condition harder to control. Some are obvious, others might surprise you. Understanding these foods will empower you to take control, reduce risks, and feel better overall. So, let's dive into the first food on the list, and why it can be so harmful for people with diabetes. 1. White bread and refined grains. White bread, white rice, and refined grains might seem harmless, but they're one of the biggest culprits when it comes to blood sugar spikes. These foods are stripped of fiber and nutrients during processing, leaving behind mostly simple starches that your body quickly breaks down into sugar. This rapid digestion causes blood sugar to surge, which forces your pancreas to work overtime, producing insulin. Over time, this can worsen insulin resistance, a core problem in type 2 diabetes. Plus, eating too many refined carbs often leads to weight gain, which complicates diabetes management further. If you must have bread or rice, opt for whole grain or brown rice alternatives. They digest more slowly and keep blood sugar steadier. 2. Sugary beverages. Sugary drinks like sodas, fruit juices, energy drinks, and sweetened teas are packed with added sugars that cause blood sugar levels to skyrocket in minutes. Unlike whole fruits, these drinks lack fiber to slow sugar absorption, making the spike even more intense. Drinking sugary beverages regularly not only worsens diabetes control but also increases the risk of heart disease, which diabetics are already more vulnerable to. Even diet or artificially sweetened drinks can sometimes lead to cravings and overeating, so be cautious. Switching to water, herbal teas, or sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon can keep you hydrated without harmful sugar hits. 3. Full-fat dairy products. You might be surprised, but full-fat dairy products like whole milk, cream, butter, and some cheeses can negatively impact diabetes when consumed in excess. These foods contain saturated fats that may contribute to increased insulin resistance and inflammation. Inflammation is a hidden danger in diabetes, making blood sugar harder to control and raising the risk of complications like heart disease and nerve damage. While some studies suggest moderate dairy consumption can be beneficial, it's best to choose low-fat or fat-free options and monitor how your body responds. Balancing your fat intake and choosing healthier fats like those in olive oil and nuts can help support better blood sugar control. 4. Fried and fast foods. Fried foods and fast food meals might taste delicious, but for people with diabetes, they can be a major health hazard. These foods are often loaded with unhealthy trans fats and saturated fats that increase insulin resistance, making blood sugar control much harder. On top of that, many fried and fast foods are high in calories and simple carbs, think French fries, fried chicken, and burgers with white buns, which lead to rapid blood sugar spikes and unwanted weight gain. If you crave something crispy or fast, try air-fried veggies, baked alternatives, or homemade meals where you control the ingredients. Your blood sugar and heart will thank you. 5. Processed snack foods and sweets. Processed snacks like chips, cookies, candy bars, and pastries often contain hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and refined flours that cause blood sugar to jump quickly. These foods offer little nutritional value and can trigger cravings that lead to overeating, which is risky for diabetes management. Moreover, the constant sugar rush and crash cycle from these snacks can make energy levels unpredictable and complicate your efforts to maintain steady glucose levels. Choosing whole fruits, nuts, or homemade snacks made from wholesome ingredients can satisfy your cravings without the blood sugar roller coaster. 6. Sweetened breakfast cereals. Many popular breakfast cereals look like a quick, convenient start to your day, but most are packed with added sugars and refined grains. These healthy cereals can cause immediate blood sugar spikes that undermine your diabetes control before lunchtime. Breakfast is vital for setting your blood sugar tone for the day. Opting for fiber-rich, protein-packed breakfasts like oats, eggs, or Greek yogurt with nuts and berries can keep you fuller longer and provide sustained energy without the sugar crash. Reading labels carefully is crucial. Avoid cereals with high sugar content and choose ones with whole grains and low added sugar. Now that you know the 6 foods to avoid, here's something extra. Meal timing and portion control can be just as powerful in managing diabetes. Eating smaller, balanced meals every 3 to 4 hours helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. Also, staying active after meals encourages glucose use by your muscles, improving insulin sensitivity. Don't underestimate the power of hydration. Drinking enough water can reduce blood sugar levels and improve kidney health. And lastly, regular monitoring and working with your healthcare team will keep you on track. Small daily habits combined with smart food choices create big impacts. So far, we've covered all common but risky foods for diabetes. Each one can stealthily raise your blood sugar and increase complications if you're not careful. Replacing these with whole, minimally processed foods and healthy fats not only supports your blood sugar but nourishes your whole body. Remember, managing diabetes isn't about restriction, it's about smart choices that empower your health and improve your quality of life every day. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Share this video with someone you care about who might benefit too. Also, comment below with the food you're most surprised to avoid or what healthy swaps you love. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember, your journey with diabetes is unique, and every step you take towards smarter eating is a victory. Stay strong, stay informed, and see you in the next video.